Hello friend, today I will show you how to make a gift for my father.
Here, they make special cards for their dad as a sign of appreciation for their daddy. Okay, now we make art for dad. We get him a gift. We can do. Okay, that's a special day. We let dad sleep late because dad works very hard.
So now let's do it. First we have white paper and then some scissors and then some pencil and the color.
Meanwhile.
And then guys, what is so small? Is that for me? Happy Father's Day. I love you. Bye. A heart shape. Bye bye.